Very good morning, 8th class students. Successfully we completed our rational numbers chapter. So today I am going to take one revision class on the chapter. Listen. So here is the first question in revision class. Locate 4 by 5 on number line. What is the question here? Locate 4 by 5 on number line. Solution. 4 by 5 is a proper fraction. Why? Because here denominator is more than the numerator. Its value is always below 1. So 4 by 5 is a proper fraction. 4 by 5 lies between 0 and 1 on number line. On number line. Third, divide each unit into 5 equal parts. Divide each unit into 5 equal parts. Fourth one, mark fourth part counting from 0. Counting from 0. Now this is a required location of 4 by 5. For example, what are the steps? First, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Here minus 1, minus 2, so on. First of all, 4 by 5 is a proper fraction. This value lies between 0 and 1. Okay, confirm. Next, divide each unit into 5 equal parts. It means 0. Next, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. So 5 by 5 is nothing but 1. So here 1 unit is divided into 5 equal parts. Then mark fourth part from 0, counting from 0 to right side. Why? Because here 4 by 5 it is positive number. Always right side of the 0. So make fourth point. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the required location of 4 by 5. What is the process? 4 by 5 is a proper fraction. The value of the proper fraction lies between 0 and 1. Then after each and every unit divided into 5 equal parts. Now count fourth part. Counting from 0 to right side of the 0. Now this is the location of 4 by 5. Check whether 2 by 3 plus half minus 1 by 5 plus 6 by 5 is equal to 2 by 3 plus minus 1 by 5 plus 6 by 5. So to check the solution. First I am taking LHS. Here what is the LHS? 2 by 3 plus half minus 1 by 5 plus 6 by 5. Here 2 by 3 plus minus 1 by 5 and plus 6 by 5. Both are like fractions. Why? Because denominators are equal. So what is the LCM of that? 5. So it is minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 2 by 3 plus minus 1 plus 6, 5. So it is 5 by 5. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. What is the remaining here? 2 by 3 plus 1. What is the LCM? 3 is LCM. So remaining 2 plus 1 into 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. So the value of the LHS is 5 by 3. Here, now I am going to find the value of RHS. What is RHS? 2 by 3 plus half minus 1 by 5 plus 6 by 5. See here, 2 2 by 3. Plus into minus, minus 1 by 5. Plus 6 by 5. Here, what is the LCM? 5 3s are 15. Why? Because both are prime numbers. The LCM of prime numbers is equal to product of that numbers. So 3 1s are. So in 3 table, 15 is going 5 times. So it is 2 into 5. Plus in 5 table, 15 is going 3 times. 5 3s are 15. 1 into 3. Plus 6 by 5. 2 5s are 10. Minus 3 by 15. Plus 6 by 5. Now it is 7 by 15. Plus 6 by 5. Now take the LCM. What is the LCM here? 15. Why? Because 15 is a 15 is going in 5 table. 5 3 is a 15. So 7 plus 6 into 3. Here 15 is a multiple of 5. So we can take 15 as LCM. 15. 7 plus 18 is equal to 25 by 15. 5 3s are 5 by is equal to 5 by 3. So here the value of the LHS and value of the RHS both are equal. The value of the LHS is 5 by 3 and also value of the RHS is also 5 by 3. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 15 by 7. Solution. So to find rational numbers we have two methods. What are the given here? 3 by 5 and 15 by 7. What are the denominators? 5 and 7. LCM of 5 and 7. 5 is a prime number, 7 is also prime number. So LCM is equal to 5 into 7 is equal to 35. So it is 3 by 5 into 7 by 7 and 15 by 7 into 5 by 5. Why? Because and 3 by 5 and also 15 by 7 both are not like fractions. I am converting into like fractions. To convert into like fractions I am taking the LCM of denominators. 3 7s are 21, 5 7s are 35 and 15 5s are 75 by 35. Now see here 21 by 35 and also 17 5 by 35 both are like fractions. So first what is the question? 3 by 5 and 15 by 7 both are not like fractions. To find the rational numbers between the two numbers I am converting into like fractions. To convert into like fractions, what I am doing here? I am taking LCM of denominators. Now, after 21 by 35, we can write 22 by 35. Next, 23 by 35. 24 by 35. 25 by 35. We can write it up to 75 by 35. So, this is the process to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. Next question, x plus 6.34 bar in the form of p by 2. Solution. First, what is the given? 6.34 bar. So bar indicates repeating. So this is a non-terminating but recurring decimal. This is a non-terminating but recurring decimal. Let x is equal to 6.343434 so on. So period of this is 34. And periodicity is equal to 2. Why? Because under the bar two numbers are number. The number repeating is called period. How many numbers are? Number of numbers repeating is called periodicity. Here how many numbers are repeating? 3 and 4. Two numbers are repeating. That is called periodicity. If periodicity is 2, multiply with 100. 100 is multiplied on both sides. It means 100x is equal to 100 into 6.343434 so on. 100x is equal to, what is the remaining? 634.343434 so on. So this is second equation and also this is first equation. I am taking first equation and second equation. Then after I am doing second equation minus first equation. Subtracting first equation from second equation. What is the second equation? 100x is equal to 634.343434 so on. Then first equation x is equal to 6.343434 so on. Minus and minus. 100x minus 1x, 99x is equal 14 minus 6, 8. Then x is equal to 628 by 99. So P by Q form of 6.34 bar is 628 by 99.